Hi, I am Mrs. Anju Manish Bang. My husband has been suffering from sleep apnea disease. We were not aware of this disease. This is a kind of a problem where a person goes to sleep and snores and goes breathless. Uh, he used to go breathless for a good 1.46 minutes at night. Not breathing for that long was a very risky for him. We have come all the way from Nagpur to get it operated from Dr. Vikas sir. He has done excellent job. When we got to know that he got a minor nasal deviation and some big tonsils and throat problem, we got it operated from sir. So now he would like to share what he experienced and how his experience post surgery is.
Before operation, we have shown to few other doctors also to what kind of treatment we should go for. Few doctors suggested that there are 2-3 ways, and one of the way was MMA operation. That is where your jawbone is cut, and the procedure is very serious, and it takes almost a year-long time to get recovered. But when we visited Vikas sir, he suggested that operation is not very much required for you, and he was very sure that with this UPP operation I'll be fine and I can live a normal life. So we just got operated with Vikas sir, and now I think that with nasal deviation problem solved and the palates and all, I am feeling very comfortable, and in the daytime also I am breathing I am feeling very good because of more breath coming to me, and in the night time the obstacles that I was facing in the that is sleep apnea obstacles, that are very less, and I am sleeping a good earlier I cannot sleep for more than 1 hour in a stretch.
Yeah.
But now it is very good. I can sleep for more time, and with the operation and the chin strap, I can sleep for whole long time.
Great.
And that now also I am feeling that there is improvement in the life, and I think after 2 months I will be living a normal life that every other person.
You were
is
using a CPAP earlier.
Yeah,
the
you-
CPAP
I
wasn't
used
connected.
just when I detected that I am suffering from sleep apnea, people around us suggested that if you are using CPAP, you can sleep for a long duration and the obstacle will not happen. But I was not very comfortable with the CPAP. One thing is you cannot carry it everywhere, and it is very difficult to sleep with some instrument putting on your mouth throughout the night.
Correct.
You cannot sleep with your children, you cannot have a normal sleep
Profile may just
also. So that was not very comfortable and useful also. But
So my question is that now that you're sleeping without CPAP, your quality of sleep without CPAP after surgery and your quality of sleep with CPAP before surgery, which is a better sleep without
definitely without CPAP and with this operation, sleep is very good.
Hmm.
With CPAP also, I was not, people were saying that you can sleep throughout the night, but with that disturbance I cannot sleep for more than 1 hour in a stretch.
So your sleep quality was still not good with
With
CPAP.
Not
CPAP,
at
yeah,
all.
it was not good
Not at
with
all.
CPAP.
Not at all.
I
When
was
you
not at
used to
all
get up in the
comfortable.
morning,
Yeah.
you still used to feel tired even after using CPAP.
Actually, I was not having any symptom like tiredness or sleepiness in the daytime with CPAP or without CPAP.
Okay.
But it was only that my report of sleep apnea shows the sleep study has shown that I am having so much obstacle
Some 60
and I am
times
not
per hour
breathing.
or something,
Yeah,
no? AHI.
and I am not
AHI
breathing
was
normal.
81 first
81,
time,
okay.
and the oxygen
Yeah.
saturation went up to 57.
Mhm. Lowest saturation.
Yeah.
So that report was not good, and people around me were also saying that you are not sleeping normally. But I cannot recognize that I am not sleeping throughout the night, though I was awaking in the night. But day life was okay. But now it is much better because I think that I can breathe more oxygen,
Great.
and night life is also better.
Yeah. So when you
I
you
feel
see-
post surgery, I feel post surgery excellent things happening. You know, he can sleep throughout the night with very small spans of breathlessness, because since it's been only a month, we got a surgery done. So probably after a month's time, he can sleep throughout the night without going breathless at
Yeah,
all.
and with the chin strap right now, so that his
Yeah.
nose is
So, yeah.
he is not mouth breathing.
Correct.
The chin strap, is he obstructing at all?
No, not at all.
That's
not
all.
at all. And breathing process has been improved up to 95%. So that is excellent. With such a very minor surgery where he had to take few precautions for a couple of weeks, but that is absolutely normal. So that he can lead a normal life ahead for another 50 years, that couple of weeks is fine, I guess.
Perfect.